So good morning, good afternoon and Jai Hind everybody. We are discussing right now symmetry in alphabets or symmetry in letters. So सबसे पहले what we are going to do, I am writing down the heading here, symmetry in letters. Or maybe you can simply write it down alphabets as well. Now let us first write it down the correct ABCD. ठीक है? So here first come the alphabet A, then B, C, then D, then E, now F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So students, I have written here from A to P right now. Let us understand symmetry first in these letters and after that we will be doing some more alphabets as well. सबसे पहले let us start from A. All of you always remember either the symmetry line will be vertical or it will be horizontal or it will be diagonal. ठीक है? Line of symmetry can be vertical, line of symmetry can be horizontal, and line of symmetry can be diagonal as well. So let us try one by one with all the alphabets that how many line of symmetry they have. If they have vertical line of symmetry, write it down V. Okay, one V. If they have horizontal line of symmetry, write it down one H, means one horizontal line of symmetry. If they have diagonal line of symmetry, write it down one D. Okay, let's try. In this alphabet A, we have only one line of symmetry, that is the vertical one. So I am writing here one V. Okay. Now moving on to B, we have line of symmetry from the middle one, which will be this time one H, means one horizontal line of symmetry. Now for C, again horizontal line of symmetry, one H. Move on to D, again one line of symmetry, that is from middle, one H line of symmetry, one horizontal. Now move on to E, again from middle, it will be one H, okay, again horizontal only. Now move on to the F1. Do you find F is having line of symmetry? What do you think? Yes or no? No, correct. So I am writing here no. No means no horizontal, no vertical. So I have written here simply no. Now G. What do you think? G has line of symmetry? Yes or no? No again. Correct. No again. Move on to the next one, H. Now H has vertical and also horizontal. So I am writing here one H, one V, means one horizontal line of symmetry as well and one vertical line of symmetry as well. Move on to I. Now if you find I, you will also find again we have two line of symmetry. One is vertical and one is horizontal as well. So here also one H and one V. Okay. Now move on to the J1. Do you think any line of symmetry in J? What do you think? Yes or no? Do we have any line of symmetry in J? Yes. Correct answer, no. We don't have any line of symmetry in J. Move on to the next one, K. अब देखो बेटा, कहीं कहीं पर you will find in somewhere K you will find to both the lines same. ठीक है? अगर both the lines are same, then K will have line of symmetry, that is will be one horizontal. ठीक है? But remember, in some of the places you will find that K has this line shorter and the longer line will be downside in some of the places. If you find like this, it means you don't have line of symmetry in K. Okay? But right now we are drawing K as like this. Okay? So if I am writing like this, then you will have one line of symmetry, that will be one horizontal. Okay? Because I have checked so many places the alphabets A, B, C, D. So I found somewhere K is having both the line equal, and somewhere K is having one line equal, another line shorter. Now move on to the L. What do you think? L has line of symmetry? Yes or no? Please reply in the chat box. L is having line of symmetry or not? Correct answer. No again. Okay. L भी finish हो गया. No. M. What do you think? M has line of symmetry? Yes. One vertical. So I am writing here 1V. That is one vertical line of symmetry it has. Okay. Let's move on to N. What do you think? N has line of symmetry or not? Yes or no? Correct answer. No. Reason behind, if you draw line of symmetry as vertical or maybe horizontal, see, one corner is upside, one corner is downside. So they will not be the mirror halves of each other. Okay. So they are not, but N is not symmetric. Now move on to O. What do you think? How many line of symmetry in O? Okay. One vertical and one horizontal as well, because O is not a circle beta. Remember, O is not a circle. O होता है oval. ठीक है? O is oval. So O के लिए don't make so many line of symmetry. It will be only two line of symmetry. Okay, one vertical and one horizontal. Okay. Now what do you think? P has line of symmetry or not? P. Yes or no? Okay. Correct answer, no again. So I'm sure you have done it till P. If you have done it till P, please raise your hand that you have done till P. So now we have done it till P. Now we are doing it from Q. Now you can see beta, Q could have been a line of symmetry there, but Q में ये जो आप portion देख रहे हो ये वाला, because of this it has no line of symmetry. ठीक है? So Q has no line of symmetry, not vertical, not horizontal. What do you think? R has line of symmetry or not? R has line of symmetry or not? Yes or no? Please tell me faster. Correct answer, no. S. What do you think? So many students get confused in S. आपको क्या लगता है? S is having line of symmetry or not? Okay, some are telling ma'am it is having one. Okay, but let me tell you, no. No. Try करके देखो. देखो, I am telling you reason क्या है. Just like तुषिता. तुषिता is confused between and no. देखो, अगर हम line of symmetry ऐसे draw करते हैं बेटा, तो देखो ये वाला पोर्शन ऊपर आ रहा है और ये वाला पोर्शन नीचे की तरफ आ रहा है. तो ये पहला वाला इट इज कैंसल्ड. वर्टिकल तो बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. अब हॉरिजॉन्टल ट्राई करके देखते हैं. नाउ लुक एट हियर. If I draw horizontal, this line is coming towards the right side and this line is coming towards the left side. So they will not be exactly mirror half of each other. So remember, S is not having any line of symmetry. So many students get confused with the alphabet S. S is not having any line of symmetry. Okay. Move on to the next one, T. Now I am taking this. T is having one line of symmetry, that is one vertical. Okay? Okay, Avantika, just wait for a minute. Okay, T is having one vertical. Now move on to the U. Now for U, we have again one line of symmetry, that will be one vertical. For V as well, we have one line of symmetry, that is one vertical. For W as well, we have one line of symmetry, that is one vertical. X. Now let us try for X, Y, Z. Now X, Y, Z, I am giving you to do it. Do it faster, X, Y, Z. So let's try. Now I am telling from Z. Z is having no line of symmetry. Again, the reason is ये वाली line is going in this left direction and one of the line is going towards the right direction. Because of this, it has no line of symmetry. ठीक है? When you talk about Y, you know so many students do the mistake in making Y. अगर आप ऐसा Y बनाते हो, it means you will get the line of symmetry, that is one vertical. Okay, if you will make Y incorrectly, because so many students make Y in this way. Do you agree with this? बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसा वाला Y बनाते हैं और अगर वो ऐसा वाला Y बनाएंगे बेटा, then you will not have any line of symmetry. Okay, so this is wrong. Okay, so this is the right Y. So if you are drawing this Y correctly, that means you will have one line of symmetry, that is one vertical. Now let us talk about X. One vertical. ठीक है? Let us try horizontal. We are having one horizontal as well. Okay. Now you are telling diagonally as well. Okay. You can write it down for diagonal as well. Because अगर आप ऐसे draw करोगे तब भी आपको ये same portion you are getting it. If you are taking in this way, then also you will getting the same portion. So you can have it has 4 line of symmetry. But right now we are writing one horizontal, one vertical. So I am simply writing one vertical, one horizontal and two diagonal. ठीक है? In this way. Now my question for everyone. How many alphabets have both the line of symmetry, horizontal and vertical both? Can you write it down, those alphabets which have horizontal and vertical both lines of symmetry? Write it down, answer fast in the chat box. Tell me faster. We have written all the alphabets. Now tell me faster which alphabets are having horizontal and vertical both line of symmetry. Very good. I am reading down your answer. Very, very nice. Correct. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay. Kriti, A is not having beta vertical horizontal both. आप चेक करो अपना अल्फाबेट A नहीं होता है. Correct. So the correct answer is H I O X. Okay. Absolutely correct answer. We have 4 alphabets which are having both the line of symmetry. Okay. Now, can you tell me in whole alphabet series from A to Z, do you find any regular consecutive alphabets जिनके पास कोई symmetry नहीं है? क्या आपने ऐसा कोई अल्फाबेट देखा जो लाइन से हो और उनके पास कोई लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री नहीं हो? Consecutive 3 और consecutive 4 लाइन से वो नंबर अल्फाबेट्स लिखे हो और there is no line of symmetry in between them. Think of it. Okay. Okay. P, Q, R, S. Yes. I was asking for this only. P, Q, R, S are consecutive alphabets. Consecutive का मतलब होता है you can have 2 or more than alphabets which are consecutive and having no line of symmetry. So the correct answer is P, Q, R, S written together, but they don't have any line of symmetry. Now, how many line of symmetry alphabet O has? How many line of symmetry alphabet O has? Okay, very good. Correct answer is 2. Remember, so many students think O means circle. Okay, but remember O means not the circle, beta. Okay, O means not the circle. O means when you talk about it's oval shape. And in oval shape, we have only 2 line of symmetry. Okay, now I am rubbing this. Please write it down. The calculator. How many of you know calculator? You are using calculator, no? So calculator में कैसे digits बनते हैं? Let us draw that. Symmetry in digits. Digits means calculator digits. This is 1. Let us try for 2. This is 2. Okay. Let us try for 3. This is 3. I'm talking about calculator digits, beta. Huh? This is 3. Let us try for 4. This is 4. Let us try for 5. Remember, calculator has a specialty that सारे के सारे digits एक digit से सारे के सारे जो calculator digits हैं वो एक digit से मिलकर बनते हैं. Can you guess which is that digit? इसमें सारे digit जो हैं वो एक चीज से मिलकर बने होते हैं. एक alphabet. Yes, 8. Absolutely correct. It's 8. सारे के सारे 8 वर्ड से बने हुए हैं. अगर आप गौर से देखो तो अगर आप 8 को इनकम्प्लीट करते हो तो ये आ जाता है. इसको भी 8 इनकम्प्लीट कर सकते हो, इसको भी 8. सारे के सारे 8 से बनते हैं बेटा, है ना? सो दिस इज 5. 5 के बाद आता है 6. 6 के बाद यू हैव 7. 7 भी ऐसा है ना? देन द लास्ट वन आई एम राइटिंग योर दैट 8. दिस इज 8. And the next one I am writing here 9. This is 9. And let us write one more, that is 0. How can I forget 0? I have forgotten 0. Okay. Now, today's homework is to draw the line of symmetry in calculator digits. Okay, today's homework is to find out the line of symmetry in calculator digits. Okay, how many of them have vertical line of symmetry? How many of them have horizontal line of symmetry? How many of them have diagonal line of symmetry as well? So depend on you how you want to make it. If you want to do it right now, you can do it as well. 1. 1 has 1 line of symmetry horizontal, 1 line of symmetry vertical. So 1V, 1H. Now 2. 2 is not having any line of symmetry. I am writing here no. 3, yes, 3 has 1 line of symmetry. That is 1 horizontal. Now 4, no line of symmetry. 0, yes, it has line of symmetry, 1 vertical and 1 horizontal as well. So I will be writing here 1V, 1H. Okay. Now move on to the 5. No line of symmetry. 6. No line of symmetry. 7. No line of symmetry. 9. No line of symmetry. Move on to 8. Yes, 8 has line of symmetry, 1 vertical and 1 horizontal. Finished. Okay, so can you please tell me how many alphabets have, calculator digits have line of symmetry? Can you please tell me how many calculator digits have both the line of symmetry, vertical and horizontal both? Yes, Arshanand, you are right. I'm talking about vertical and horizontal both, beta. Vertical and horizontal both I am asking. The first digit is 1, the second digit is 0, the third digit is 8. Yes. Correct? Yes, 1, 0 and 8. 1, 0 and 8. Now if I change my question and if I ask from you this one, how many calculator digits have symmetry? My question I am changing now. Tell me faster. How many calculator digits have symmetry? Okay, correct answer. 5 is not having line of symmetry. I'm rubbing this. This is also not having symmetry. 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 And this is also not having symmetry. How many now? Tell me. Yes, absolutely correct. Only 4. The answer is 1, 3, 0, and 8. The answer is 1, 3, 0, and 8. These are the calculator digits which have symmetry in them. Finished. So that's all for today. In our next class, we will be studying symmetry in different types of objects. Okay.